vlog. It's been a while since I posted a video. We're doing something new with the house, like a big change. What we're doing today is we're gonna lay new floors on the main level just because it's so outdated and it has a lot of scratches because of the dogs. We also want it to look more modern since this is an old house. So yeah, this is just like a sample that we did yesterday to see how it looks on the space, and we were quite happy with the results. So we're going to continue in getting more of this floor today.
To another place, no need to worry, escape reality.
So now we're starting with taking off the baseboard. Yeah, we just put on a thing before we will lay down the floor. Painted the baseboards white. And now Christian is starting with the cutting.
Just hear me whisper that your dreams lie here with me.
2 hours later.
We haven't done the half of the living room. We have a way more to go. Christian has been trying to fix the coffee machine for like since this morning. He already got electrocuted and it's not stopping him. It's day 3 and we have come this far. Yeah, so because during daytime we have Chris has work and I have class, so we were just able to do it afterwards. Last nail?
No!
No.
Almost. I wasn't there.
Yeah, it's the last nail. And then we're done.
A few inches later.
And we're done. Finally. It's 17th of May tomorrow and we're gonna hang this up.